Let's draw a tub.
T-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Now let's start off over here on this side of the tub. We'll add a curve, and then we'll add another curve, and then one last curve. Then we're going to add the handle on this side, which will be a circle with 4 U's. So when you draw a U, the letter U, like that, we're going to make 4 of those, but they're going to be around the circle. So watch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. Draw the circle, and then the 4 U's. It looks like a flower. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to add a line right here. And then another one on this side right here. Now we're going to add the rest of the tub. That was the hard part right there. Now we can add a curve and a line and then a curve like that. And then we're going to draw another line that goes all the way back, and then we make a curve here. Next, we're going to draw the same shape just inside the shape. Okay, so we'll start here and we'll go around, and all you're doing is following that outside line and making the same shape. Go all the way around, and then curve, and then straight, and done. Next, we're going to draw the bottom. So we'll do a line, and then a curve. Then we're going to leave a little space here, and then we're going to draw a line, and then we're going to leave a little space here, and then we're going to draw a little curve that turns into a line and goes up. Next, we're going to add the feet of the tub. We'll do a line down with 3 U's and then up. Then we're going to do the same thing over here, except we're going to draw 2 lines, and then we'll draw those 3 U's, and then we're going to make a curve at the top. And then we'll do the same thing over here. We'll draw 2 lines, and then the 3 U's, and the curve at the top. Now we need to finish up the faucet and the fixture here. So now we're going to add in the lines here, and 2 lines here, and then 2 lines here. Next, we're going to add in a little bit of a curve here, so we see the inside of the tub. There's a line, and it turns into a curve right there. And then you can make a little curve here for the drain. This is a tub. Will you add anything to this tub? Like water or bath toys? Maybe a towel? Use your imagination and see what else you can add to this drawing. What color will you make it? Thanks for drawing with me today. Have a great day. Bye.